Gage back rope and racing. Out in front is second by Hold the Bubbly. Moving up, Moana Belay. Running by Ruila is Formal Entry. And rushing up now is Kit Kat Kua. And passing the winning pose, Moana Belay, followed by Kit Kat Koo. Running in third, Formal Entry. Then followed by Hold the Bubbly. Racing fifth is My Promise. Then is Song, while Magnificence is running in a tail of the fielder. Out a straight they travel. Kit Kat Koo takes up the running now. Balang followed by Formal Entry. Running in third is Moana Belay. 3 lengths back now. Hold the Bubbly. Danny Song and My Promise. Down the half mile they travel. It is still Kit Kat Koo leading by some 2.5. Followed now by Formal Entry. Moana Belay. Here comes My Promise. Danny Song. Hold the Bubbly. Long way back. Magnificence. Inside the last 600, it is still Kit Kat Koo, leads by some 4 now, followed by Formal Entry. And running in third, My Promise. Down in fourth by the wheel is Danny Songa. And towards the final turn, it is still Kit Kat Koo, leads by some 7 lengths now, My Promise. Now running in second. And down in third, Formal Entry. Danny Song, Hold the Bubbly, Magnificence, and Moana Belay. And on the last 75 meter, it's all Kit Kat Koo, followed by My Promise. Then is Song, Formal Entry, All the Bubbly, Magnificence, and Moana Belay.
Magaling.
Sobra.
Kit Kat Koo.